Okay, so I got all the baseboards mounted up in here. I just got to go ahead and fill in the nail holes all over the place. So I use these cardboard shims to space it up about 1/8 of an inch. I'll fill in the gaps with some Alex Flex. There's going to be a transition piece that goes across there. Looking pretty doggone good. There's that weird bulge where the service comes up from the ground. Yeah, can't do anything about that. I guess I could have sanded the drywall down possibly, but no, not gonna do that. Anyhow, baseboards are completely installed all the way around. Now, like I said, just gotta go ahead and put the, what the heck is it? Hopefully it's still good. The plastic wood. Fill the nail holes, and usually I just take a cloth and wipe them down after that. Another coat of paint all the way around, and this room's gonna be done. Okay, well, I got it all masked off, and don't tell the wife I used 75 pieces of printer paper to go up underneath the molding so I could paint it without getting it down to the floor. I still do have to add just a little bit right there just so I don't get some over paint on it. But yeah, all masked up and ready to go. Everything's looking pretty good. I could probably just go ahead and give it a pass, but I'm gonna go ahead and paint it and then put some of the Alex Flex on it right there to seal up the baseboards to the wall, and then seal up the cracks in the baseboards as well. So, yep, painting is next. Looking good. Looking very, very good. Gonna get a CAT scan here. Round. Round. Alright, so go ahead and add a little bit of tape to that to prevent the overbrushing. So yeah, let's get ready to paint. Okay, I already screwdrivered the top up on the paint. I just want to go ahead and mix it up really good. Then we'll go rinse that guy off, good as new. All right, let's paint. Well, okay, all the baseboards have been painted, second coat. Looking really, really good. So we'll give these things a good 12 plus hours to dry. And then we'll pull the paper up and the tape off the wall. And then we'll bring Alex into the party. The Alex Flex. Anyhow, everything's looking really good. So I've got the Alex hanging right there, ready to go. Just in case he dried up, I have another Alex Flex right there. So yeah, all the nail holes have all been filled with the plastic wood DAP. Very good success with that. Basically, you put it in the holes, wait about a minute or two, hit it with the damp cloth, and yeah, it's perfectly smooth after that. Okay, well, tomorrow, Alex will come to the party. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. All right, well, Alex was up to the challenge. Filled in every single crack. You might see moisture in there I just mopped. Filled in every single crack. Everything looks perfect. If they could only pour a floor that was actually level, that would have been a great thing when they built this house, because look at that gap right in the middle there. Well, nothing we can do about that. Anyhow, there is the transition molding that's just going to go up against there like that, just to hide that. But other than that, everything else is looking good. Even the bulbs got filled. Yes. So, next on the agenda is to repopulate this room with a bunch of stuff. And yeah, there's going to be another couple of pieces of trim that go in here and one across the front to fill that gap as well, but everything else is looking perfect. I love it. Oh, long road. Everything. So there's some more trim in here. Like I said, bathroom got redone previously. One thing I got to do is put a new shower head on there, but new shower door, new towels, everything is looking great. All right, well, hopefully the next time you see this, all of this stuff will have been replaced back into the room, because this is the overflow parking for everything that came out of the room. Dresser, desk, bed, light, sheets, cat. So yeah, hopefully the next couple of hours I'll repopulate this room, put the doors back on, put the bed together, and get these boxes stowed away in the closet. Well, I got as far as putting an area rug down in here, and somebody approves of it already. I'm just trying to decide, do I want to do it this way, or do I want to run it, you know, lengthwise that way? Not quite sure. It's great to start with a clean slate. You can kind of do whatever you want to do. Well, let me tell you something. We are very, very close. Got the desk installed. Well, just sitting. The chair. Made the bed. Looks really, really good. Like the colors a lot. I got Cricut Slide up here, and we got new window treatment. You might have seen that previously. And of course, the cat that does approve of this room, just totally content. Fans back in here. Dresser with about 1,000 stickers. Look at those. Dora the Explorer. Yeah, all kinds of stickers, some kites, and a sword over there. Everything is looking really good. Almost done. There are the transitions that go right there and right there. Won't be long. Let me tell you what, will not be long. New area rug installed. Looks great. Went ahead and moved it so the desk had a little bit of room over there. And then there's going to be an outlet strip that runs in that gap right there. But yeah, things coming right along. Regular lights installed, fan operational, closet doors installed, and a couple of boxes of stuff down in here. But yeah, looking really, really good. Well, with any luck, I've got probably maybe an hour or two installing the transitions there, as well as the trim that is just sitting there right now. One piece not quite long enough. Doggone it, it's about 4 inches too short, but that's why I bought two. Anyhow, room coming right along. Everyone, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.